Hey beautiful people, welcome back to Beautyistic. If you've ever felt like your shower routine could do more than just cleanse, you're going to want to stick around. Today we're exploring a body wash that promises to nourish both your skin and your mood. OLLY Calm Body Wash with Hyaluronic Acid, Adaptogens, and Vitamin B3. Before we jump in, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a beauty insight that actually makes a difference in your routine. OLLY Calm Body Wash is designed to do more than just clean. It's a 17-ounce nourishing cleanser formulated to support skin barrier repair and deep hydration. Infused with hyaluronic acid, adaptogens, and vitamin B3, it claims to repair and soothe stressed skin. What sets it apart is the Eucalyptus amber scent, crafted with neuroscientists and top fragrance houses to help calm your mood while you shower. The formula is free of sulfates and parabens, cruelty-free and dermatologist-approved, aiming for a gentle skin-loving lather that won't leave you feeling stripped. Using this wash has been a surprisingly calming experience. The texture is lightweight yet creamy, and it lathers nicely without requiring a ton of product. On damp skin, it glides effortlessly, leaving a subtle, soothing fragrance that lingers just long enough to enhance your shower ritual. My skin felt soft and hydrated afterward, not tight or dry, which is always a win when you're using a daily body cleanser. I tested it in both morning and evening showers, and it genuinely added a small, refreshing boost to my routine, almost like a mini aromatherapy session right in your bathroom. What I love about it is how it balances function and sensory experience. The hyaluronic acid and vitamin B3 contribute to noticeable hydration, while the adaptogens and scent profile provide that calming, spa-like effect at home. One minor downside is that if you prefer fragrance-free products, this one's scent might be a little strong at first, but it mellows quickly. Also, while the lather is silky, heavier creams or oils might still be needed for extremely dry skin. Price-wise, OLLY Calm Body Wash sits in the mid-range for specialty body washes. Considering the thoughtful formulation with skin-repairing ingredients and mood-enhancing fragrance, I'd say it offers good value for those seeking both skincare benefits and a sensory experience. If you're mainly after hydration and prefer fragrance-free, there are cheaper options out there, but they won't give you the mood-boosting aromatherapy element that makes this wash unique. The packaging is simple but sturdy, with a pump that dispenses just the right amount each time. The 17-ounce size is generous, and given the consistency, a little goes a long way. No issues with leakage or poor build quality, just a reliable, attractive bottle for your shower shelf. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this, and if you're itching to try it, the link is in the comments. OLLY's customer reputation is solid, and while I haven't needed to reach out personally, their wellness products usually come with attentive service if you do have any questions. If you love the idea of a mood-boosting, skin-repairing wash, but want something more budget-friendly, brands with hyaluronic acid-based body washes or calming botanical scents could be good alternatives, though they might lack the precise blend of adaptogens and aromatherapy benefits that OLLY offers. Overall, OLLY Calm Body Wash delivers a unique combination of hydration, skin barrier support, and a calming shower experience. It's perfect for anyone looking to upgrade a simple daily routine into a small self-care ritual. The scent is soothing, the texture is luxurious, and the formulation is genuinely gentle and effective. For those who want a mindful, nourishing shower, this product hits the mark. Thank you so much for watching Beautyistic. If you've used OLLY Calm Body Wash, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. The link to grab yours is in the comments or description box. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful, inside and out.